In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check your WordPress version. Knowing your version helps you stay updated with security patches and ensures your plugins and themes work smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log into your WordPress dashboard by typing your site URL followed by /wp-admin in your browser. Enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Once logged in, look to the top left corner of your dashboard for the WordPress logo or the words About WordPress. Click it and you'll open a page showing all the details about your WordPress site. Right at the top, you'll see your WordPress version number clearly displayed. If you want extra info about the latest updates and features, the About WordPress page provides a quick overview to help you stay informed. As an alternative, some dashboards display the version at the bottom of the page, so you can check there if needed. That's it. Knowing your WordPress version is essential for site security and compatibility. Regularly checking ensures your site stays safe and runs smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy blogging!